To replace the glass on a Hobbit, first remove the door. So with the door on the workbench, undo the 4 8mm nuts at each corner of the glass. And swing out the way the little clip that holds the glass in position, and then the glass should just be removed. Offer up the new piece of glass, making sure it's exactly central on the rope, and then swing the clips back into position on each corner. So it's really important that you don't over tighten the nuts and just push down gently on the glass, and only tighten the bolt just tighter than finger tight against the rope. So to replace the door, just reposition the hinge pin through the brackets. Job done.